Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best water filters in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Brita Standard Everyday Water Filter Pitcher. With Brita, water just tastes better. However, as well as enjoying great tasting water from the filter experts, the Brita Standard Water Pitcher provides clean water that is safe to drink, and as the Brita Water Pitcher has a large 10-cup capacity, is the ideal filter for the whole family. Whether it is for everyday drinking water or keeping your pets and plants well watered, Brita's pitcher produces clean water without the unpleasant smell or odor of chlorine and removes heavy metals such as lead, mercury, cadmium, and copper. This eco-friendly pitcher will save you money from having to buy countless bottles of filtered water, which will eventually end up in a landfill, and the filter only needs to be replaced every 40 gallons or approximately every 2 months. Featuring a classic oval design, the sturdy BPA-free white plastic pitcher is very compact and fits into most refrigerator doors. The soft grip handle allows for easy pouring, and there is a removable lid for easy refilling and replacing of the filter cartridge, and the filter indicator sticker on the lid lets you know when to change the filter. Number 2. Our second best pick is iSpring Water Filtration System. One of the most trusted drinking water treatment programs in the world, the premium quality iSpring Water Filtration System delivers an optimal filtering performance. Once you install the WQA Gold Seal quality filter, you will enjoy the confidence of a worry-free, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective filter system that produces the cleanest and best-tasting water for your entire family. The iSpring has undergone rigorous testing for air leaks, water pressure, and cycle resistance, and its multi-membrane filter, which is rated for up to 75 gallons per day, and its auto-flush system, filters out and removes up to 1,000 plus water pollutants, and restores natural alkalinity and essential minerals. The iSpring system takes the reverse osmosis process one step further by using an intensive 6-stage filtering stage that purifies, remineralizes, and neutralizes the pH levels in the water. All of the filtering system's components, the APEC housing, the filters, and the 3.2-gallon pressurized tank with a 2.5-gallon holding capacity, and tubings are made from FDA-approved materials, and the solid brass faucet is lead-free and has an attractive brushed nickel finish. Number 3. Our third best pick is APEC Reverse Osmosis Water Filter System. The APEC Reverse Osmosis Water Filter System features high-grade 5-stage ultra-pure US custom-made filters, which means you will enjoy quality filter water that is just perfect for drinking and cooking. The premium-grade, WQA Gold Seal awarded top-tier filtering system has been rigorously tested and certified to make sure that it delivers the highest contaminant removal rates. It contains super-efficient double carbon block filters that can remove up to 99% of all contaminants and chemicals, such as chlorine, fluoride, arsenic, lead, and chromium, while also removing cloudiness and unpleasant odors and tastes. As well as featuring a superior heavy-duty solid metal framed construction and long-lasting filters that are free from water leaks, bursts, and noises, the APEC filter system has a superior water-saving design. The fast production, high-flow reverse osmosis system can purify 90 gallons of water and treat hard water at variable water pressures up to 2 times faster than standard filters, and as it has lower system maintenance and fewer filters to change, it is very economical. The filter system can be easily installed and maintained. However, if you have any trouble, APEC's friendly WQA certified water specialists provide free technical support for the entire lifespan of your system. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is New Wave Enviro 10-Stage Plus Water Filter System. With a highly advanced 10-stage filter system that can filter up to 1,500 gallons per filter, the New Wave Enviro water filter system is a great choice for fresh sparkling clean water for a large family. Its high-capacity 10-stage filter can remove major contaminants below EPA minimum levels such as chlorine, arsenic, mercury, lead, and PCBs, and add beneficial minerals such as magnesium, potassium, chlorides, and fluoride. Besides its ability to produce delightfully clean, crisp and odorless water, it is a great money-saving unit. The new wave counter filtration system has a compact design, so it will not take up a lot of room on your kitchen countertop or sink top, and it is very easy to set up. Just attach it to your faucet. Pros: excellent value for money. Ideal for a family of 4. Produces amazing water quality. Removes major contaminants to below EPA minimum levels. Easy installation. Compact space-saving design. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Invigorated Water pH Restore Water Filter Pitcher. Take your water filtration to the next level with the Invigorated Water pH Restore Water Filter Pitcher. This filter will alkalize, ionize, mineralize, energize, optimize and purify your water, and as it has a 360-liter or 1,500 cup capacity, the IL filter is very economical and ideal for a large family. A highly effective filtering system, the pitcher uses an advanced multi-stage filter that allows it to remove a high level of harmful pollutants such as lead, chlorine, chloramine, heavy metals, and sediment that can pollute and cloud the water. It also adds healthy minerals which are essential for your ongoing health, as well as optimizing natural pH levels in the water up to pH 10. The result is great tasting water on demand. The pitcher is made out of premium BPA-free plastic and is FDA, WQA, and SGS certified. Its new enhanced design features an easy-to-fill lid system, an easy grip handle, and an anti-slip base. One of the highlights of this pitcher is that it has a digital gauge that lets you know when to change your filter. Pros: very good value for money. Great tasting water. New enhanced filter design. Filters 99.9% of contaminants. Adds healthy minerals. Modern pitcher design. Easy to fill lid. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.